Inside your skull sits the most complex object in the known universe. Weighing just over a kilogram, your brain is the seat of your consciousness, the commander of every breath. It's where you live. So let's take a quick tour. Think of the brain in three main parts. At the bottom, the brainstem is the most primitive. It's the reptilian part, managing life support systems you never think about, your heartbeat, your breathing. Damage here is often fatal. Tucked at the back is the cerebellum, or little brain. While your main brain decides to kick a ball, the cerebellum calculates the exact balance and coordination to do it without you falling over. And then there's the big wrinkly part on top, the cerebrum. This is where higher order thinking happens. It's so complex, it's divided into 4 departments, or lobes. Behind your forehead is the frontal lobe, the executive suite for decision-making and personality. It's the last part to fully mature, which helps explain teenage impulsivity. At the top, the parietal lobe is your touch center, processing heat, cold, and pain. The very back of your head houses the occipital lobe, your visual center. That's why a hard knockback there can make you see stars. And on the sides, near your temples, the temporal lobes manage hearing, language, and crucial memory formation. This entire command center connects to your body via the spinal cord, an information superhighway. Interestingly, it's crosswired. Your logical left hemisphere controls your body's right side, and the creative right hemisphere controls the left. A massive nerve fiber bridge, the corpus callosum, ensures they work together, orchestrating everything from your survival instincts to your most profound thoughts.